They straight carved the car.
Why do they always have little characters at the car washes? That's what my kids ask me. Like, what is going on here?
Because you can sit your baby right there while you going home. You gotta deal with
Look, he's waiting for me. He's like, come on, why is it taking this lady so long? There you go, line at the tire. He's like, no, kinda. He's like, you kinda got it, lady. Okay, look at his beard. He's got a strategic facial hair there.
Neutral, please.
Neutral. This is long overdue. We got the inside kind of. This is not. You don't have to do the labor. Yeah. Get that in. Oh, you're smart. You did it the right way. No labor car wash. Mike's car wash. I remember taking a kid through a car wash one time screaming. We thought it'd be exciting, but they got real scared. Oh, it's green! It's so green! Yeah, clean that up. Get that bumper, that's so dirty. No, this car is a lifesaver. Thank you, little Molly clown car. Yes! My brights are on. What good technology. Thank you, America. Whoever, do you think it was Americans that invented the car wash like this? This is crazy. Rinse!
You can smell it.
Yeah? Oh yeah. That's some
Smell
kind of
like
coating.
soda.
That's some kind of coating. Don't we wish life was that easy? Like just go through the car wash, right? Get yourself sudsed up and rinsed off. And dried off. Let it be that simple, right? I don't have to touch a thing. This is so, you know I'm always talking about God. This is how God does it. He's like, put in neutral. I'm gonna clean you. I'll get you rinsed off. I'll get you dry. I'll get you ready set. And your weight will turn into a green. Turn into green for us, God. Yes, go.
Still a neutral.
Still neutral, but now we gotta take the wheel, right? Now it's our turn. We gotta participate.
That was fun.
That was great. Thank you.